My fun weekend. Hi, friends. Let me tell you about my weekend. It was so much fun. Saturday morning. On Saturday morning, I woke up early and made a big breakfast. I had pancakes with honey, scrambled eggs, and orange juice. After breakfast, I went to the park to jog. The weather was sunny and warm, so I enjoyed the fresh air. At the park, I saw many people. Some were walking their dogs, others were riding bicycles, and a few were having picnics. I even said hello to my neighbor, who was walking her little dog named Max. Saturday afternoon. In the afternoon, I went to the shopping mall with my best friend. We bought some new clothes and shoes. I also got a gift for my cousin's birthday, a colorful book about animals. After shopping, we had lunch at a small cafe. I ordered a delicious sandwich and a cup of hot chocolate. Saturday evening. In the evening, I stayed home and watched a movie with my family. We watched a funny cartoon and everyone laughed a lot. We ate popcorn and drank lemonade. Sunday morning. On Sunday morning, I went to the supermarket to buy groceries. I bought apples, bananas, milk, bread, and some chocolate cookies. When I got home, I helped my mom cook lunch. We made spaghetti with tomato sauce and a fresh salad. Sunday afternoon. After lunch, I read a new book about space. I learned so many cool things about planets and stars. Later, I took a short nap because I was tired from all the activities. Sunday evening. In the evening, I prepared for the new week. I did my homework, packed my school bag, and wrote in my journal about my weekend. Then, I went to bed feeling happy and relaxed. Now it's your turn. What did you do this weekend? New vocabulary from the story. Wake up, to stop sleeping. Fresh air, clean air from outside. Jog, to run slowly for exercise. Neighbor, someone who lives near you. Groceries, food and other things you buy from the store. Spaghetti, long, thin pasta. Nap, a short sleep. Pack, to put things in a bag.